Hi guys! In this video, I want to show you how a V8 engine works. As you see, this V8 engine is designed and simulated in CATIA V5. All dimensions are real and close to Mercedes-Benz AMG series. As you know, the main parts of an engine are crankshaft, piston, connecting rod, and flywheel. This model is correctly assembled, and you can see the constraints here. Now let me show you the simulation of the mechanism. As you can see, we have one command here, the revolution of the crankshaft. And you can see the mechanism works correctly. If you have any problem in this model, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you for watching this video.